There's this concept of companion planting and gardening where some things you don't want to plant some things next to each other and you do want to plant other things next to each other. So for example, yeah, this picture Carrie's showing here is perfect. This is a tomato plant that has some marigolds around it. And that is a common companion planting strategy. There's can be a number of reasons why companion planting works. It can come down to so sometimes it's because these companions repel pests that are around them. And with marigolds, that's sometimes the case where it can repel pests that are actually in the soil, some root nematode. There's also other companion strategies of like, for example, planting basil around your tomatoes has a couple of effects. The basil will repel pests because the pests aren't able to find the tomato. One thing that I didn't really comprehend or really think about until I started gardening was that pests that are attacking your plants find the plants a lot of times through their sense of smell. So if you can surround that plant with a strong smelling herb like basil or oregano or rosemary or something, it can make it hard for the plants to find that tomato or the pests to find that tomato they're looking for. So that's another reason that companion planting is useful. There's a lot of different reasons why you should do companion planting, but the point is the app will help you through that.